Alright guys, today we are going to do a troy-bilt tb516ec edger. We're going to do the carburetor on it. Comes in a kit, came in this box right here. Everything you'll need. Filters, spark plug, carburetor, fuel lines, everything you'll need for this job. Alright, we'll get right into it. I'll put the kit in the description below. Just click the link. I'll take you right to it. Just undo the air filter assembly right here. Pull the air filter out. Different air filter. I'll have to remember to find the kit that's got this style air filter in it. Same carburetor though. Same carb. Alright, we'll pull this little metal piece out. Then we've got torque 25s. It's a little star guy. Oh, this one's too small. It's torque 25. Pause it. Alright, it's torque 25. Unscrew this one. Top one, unscrew it. Pull it off the gasket like that. S-turn, no problem, got that out. And the fuel lines, we're going to remove them. I'm just going to cut the fuel lines off. Like that, pop the gas cap so they aren't spraying out. And I'll let you know where our fuel lines go. Now we're going to go ahead, drain the gas out. We want to make sure it's brand new, fresh gas in there. So we're going to drain that out. Alright, so clear line is a return line. It just pulled right out. Black line's got the filter on it, so you got to reach in the tank, grab it, unless the filter's broken off of it. These lines were fine, but kit comes with new lines, so we're going to do it anyways. Just like look right here, this is separating. There's a line inside that's probably can separate, and then it sucks together, and then it doesn't let the fuel through. So we're doing new lines. We're going to cut this line into a point like so. We're going to stick it through the left hand hole, the one farthest from the fuel, and then we're going to force it down in with the needle nose pliers. We're going to line this up real quick. This is going to be return line. It's just shoved in an inch or whatever. And this only has to go to, this nipple right here, I believe. Yeah, this nipple right here. So we're going to cut it off to length right about there. And that's your return line. Alright, so we're going to cut this to a point again. This time we got to pull it out of the gas cap. So we're going to get it cut a bit to where we can reach it with the needle nose. On the other side. And we're going to stick this down into the hole closest to the gas cap. See if we can reach it through here. I can't get in there. Oh, come on. We're just going to pick this out of here. Cut that end off. dab the fuel filter onto it. And this is just going to sit down on the bottom of the carburetor or the gas tank. If you have to, you can pull some back. Make sure that it's on the bottom. There, it's bottom center. That's perfect. So right hand is the one with the filter, left hand is one without the filter. I'm going to put our throttle cable back on here. We're going to go to the filter one, goes to the outside, the closest to the primer bulb one. The turn line goes to the one furthest from the primer bulb. Like that. And then this will go like this. Choke arm is over here. 2 bolts all the way through. Gasket and everything. Torque 25. We're going to tighten those 2 down. Like that. We're going to throw some gas in it. Not much left. Hopefully it's enough to get it started. Straight gas. Before we even try, we're going to, oh, it's stuck in there good. We're going to check the oil on a flat level surface. This should be full to the top. Oh, this is cross-threaded. Yeah. Oh, dear Lord, they got this cross-threaded. It's right there at the top. I'm going to throw it in there just to make sure. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good right at the top. Put this back in. They've cross-threaded this, so it's going to be a pain in the butt. Alright, so we're going to prime it up. See the lick gas coming up. Still getting a bunch of air bubbles because I didn't really get enough gas in there, but it is priming. We're going to pause this. I'm going to run get gas. Alright, so a little more gas in there. Now we're not getting the air bubbles coming through here, so that's good. Go ahead and put the metal piece back on. Air filter on top of that. Air filter assembly just hooks in the back. Screws down. Unfortunately, this one will not start. It's spitting back out the intake, so it's got a bad intake valve. But you know how to put it in yourself. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Put all the parts in the description below for you. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.